And please keep in mind that things that I mentioned here, I mean those one with the halal certification valid in Poland, it should be prolonged. So by the time after I publish this video, it might be not halal anymore, because it depends on the company whether or not they will prolong the halal certification. It might be the underrated information. So in this video, I would like to maybe make it clear so the Muslims in Poland can buy halal food easily. I hope by watching this video. Okay, let's get started. The first product that I would like to maybe inform you is that we can eat food in the form of the vegetarian and vegan food, and of course the food with the halal logo. So this is the example of the products with the vegan logo. So you can see this vegan logo. It means that it's derived from the ingredients which are not dangerous to our religion. Yes. And the other product is this falafel. It's made from the chickpeas and spelt. This is special for vegan, as you can see in this written package. So it's allowed to eat by Muslims. And of course, those one with halal logo, you can find it in the Arabic stores. For example, in the Dubai Food, in the mosque sometimes. For example, mosque in Warsaw, they usually sells this type of food, this type of meat, chicken meat, from the mechanically separated chicken with beef flavor. The next one is that you need to check the ingredients of the food. For example, if you see the bread in the stores, in the grocery stores, you usually found the code of E471. So what is E471? You can check the status of these ingredients from the application. I use Halal Check application, and in this application you can look for the code E471. And I got the result that this is masbu. Why? Because E471 is the mono and triglycerides of fatty acids, and the origin of these fatty acids is doubtful. It could be from the vegetable fat, which is halal, or could be from animal fat, which is haram. So it's better if we avoid these ingredients in our foods. Talking about the restaurants and the cafes, actually you can ask in person about the ingredients of the products that you want to order, or other option is that you can order the foods from vegetarian and vegan ingredients. Mostly in here, vegan foods and vegetarian foods are rather more popular than in Indonesia, so you can just try this typical of foods. The other category of foods that you need to know is about meat, because in Krakow, for example, I think we don't have the halal slaughter places. Therefore, mostly the sellers bought it from the other cities and then they bring it in Krakow. You can find the ground meat like the beef or chicken in the halal way in the Dubai Food, in Alibaba, and from the persons. Usually this person sells it online and you can just call him or her and pick up in the restaurant in Krakow. Other option is that you can buy the meat online from Warsaw. For example, in Harbi, in Mustafa, you can just order it online and they will send you directly from Warsaw to Krakow. The option to buy halal meat is that you can find it at Auchan in Biedronka. Some brand has halal certification that valid in Poland. You can check the halal certification online. You can check halal certification online here. For example, the product with the brand of Biernacki produced in Jarocin city, and the meat that you can find it easily in Lidl. I've bought it once. The title is Rzecznik and the producer is from the Biernacki as well in Jarocin. Yeah, these are the halal meat that you can find in the convenience grocery stores. The next is for chicken. For the chicken, you can find also the halal logo. Actually, I got this information from my friend. This halal logo of crispy chicken tenders. I've never tried to find it. Maybe in the future, if I find it, I maybe can inform you. And also the brand of the cordon bleu from Conspol is also halal. And I usually buy the halal chicken in Dubai Food and in the Auchan and Biedronka, because in Auchan and Biedronka they sells the chicken with the breadcrumbs and it's halal. For the ice cream also in Biedronka you can find the Marletto brands of ice cream produced by the Kilargo company. It's halal. Special from Kilargo, it's halal. And other products is that the products come from Indonesia, Thailand, and Asian countries with the logo halal. Is of course halal. You can find it easily in online shops, in Asian stores like the South Korea store, the Asian in all region stores, and online as well. Like Allegro, you can type Indomie and you can easily find it. And the last one is about bread. Actually, it's hard to find bread which is halal here. You can maybe eat bread with vegan ingredients, or for other food you can try this croissant. This croissant is delicious and it's halal because it doesn't contains any doubtful ingredients. And please keep in mind that things that I mentioned here, I mean those one with the halal certification valid in Poland, it should be prolonged. So by the time after I publish this video, it might be not halal anymore, because it depends on the company whether or not they will prolong the halal certification. So do it with your own risk, and I hope it's clear up your mind about how to find halal food here. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and also share it to your friend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Makasih semua udah nonton. Silakan lihat vlogku yang lain, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.